Hello students, this is our very first paper of 11th class. So thoda we will discuss it and I'll try to do as many questions as we can. See, few questions we'll discuss in details, few questions I'll give you hint, which will be easy enough. You will be able to handle them on your own very properly. All right. So like the first question is this, they are saying log base 2, log base 7, x square minus x plus 37 equals to 1. So we all know whenever log x base a is n, implies x is what? A raised to the power n. So सबसे पहले सबसे बाहर वाले log को will remove. So log base 7 x square minus x plus 37 is equals to 2. Now it will be next 7 to the power 2. So x square minus x plus 37 is 7 to the power 2 is 49. So it is x square minus x minus 12 equals to 0. Now if I factorize it, it will be x minus 4 into x plus 3 equals to 0. And both will be your valid answers. All right. So x equals to minus 3 and 4. As such, one more small thing which I should consider. This component should be more than 0. So x square minus x plus 37 should be greater than 0, which it is already because its d is negative. Another thing, log base 7, x square minus x plus 37, it should also be greater than 0. But since we are discussing it for 2, that means it is by default greater than 0. So this is your correct answer. All right. Now let's move forward. See this one. This is a simple but little bit of extended heavy calculation question. A is what? I'm using the property log P plus log Q is log PQ at the common base. So A will be what? Log base 10 AB plus under root of AB square minus 4 times A plus B by 2 into AB minus under root of AB square minus 4 times A plus B upon 2. So this is what? Log base 10. In the previous question, what could be the value of x? 4 will be your answer. So it is a square b square minus of a square b square minus 4 times a plus b divided by 4. So it is log base 10. A square b square cancel. It is 4 times a plus b by 4. 4 cancel. Now see, value of a given to you is 43. Value of b is 57. So a plus b is what? 100. So this answer is 2. Now about b, what they are saying, b is 2 to the power log 18 base 6 into 3 to the power log 3 base 6. Now see, 2 to the power log 18 base 6 plus 3 to the power log 3 base 6. This 18 can be written as 2 to the power log 6 into 3 base 6. Keep it as it is, log 3 base 6. So it is 2 to the power 1 plus log 3 base 6 into 3 to the power log 3 base 6. Am I correct? So this will become 2 into 2 to the power log 3 base 6 into 3 to the power log 3 base 6. Now collectively, if I see this 2 outside, it is 6 to the power log 3 base 6. The 6 and log base 6 cancel. It will be 2 into 3, that is 6. So value of A came 2, value of B came 6. So A into B comes 12. Got it? Now next, see, consider the equation log 16 base x square plus log 64 base 2x equals to 3. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to the solution? See, log 16 base x square plus log 64 base 2x equals to 3. See, few things which we can notice from the question is, first of all, x will be greater than 0 because 2x is the base. So base has to be positive. Second, 2x should not be 1, means x cannot be 1 by 2. And being positive, x square also cannot be 1, so x should not be 1. So these are few conditions. Now I'll break this question over base 2. So log 16 base 2 upon log x square base 2 plus log 64 base 2 upon log 2x base 2 equals to 3. So this is 4 upon 2 log x base 2 plus. Now log 64 base 2 is 6 upon 1 plus log x base 2 is equals to 3. Now let us consider log x base 2 is t. So it is 2 by t plus 6 upon 1 plus t equals to 3. So it is 2 plus 2t plus 6t will be 3t into 1 plus t. Just LCM and cross multiplication. So it will become 3t square plus 3t minus 8t minus 2 equals to 0. 3t square minus 5t minus 2 equals to 0. So if you factorize it, 3t square minus 6t plus t minus 2 equal to 0. It will be 3t plus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So value of t came minus 1 by 3 and 2. Means log x base 2 came minus 1 by 3 comma 2. So x is what? Either x is 4, 2 to the power 2, or x is 1 upon cube root of 2. Now if I see the options, one irrational solution, it is no prime solution, definitely no prime solution. Two real solutions, it is two integral solution. This is incorrect. There is only one integral solution. All right. So it was a good question. Now see, this is what I have already done. 63 you see. 63 question. If I convert all the three logs using log a base b is 1 upon log b base a. So this question will become log 3 base 60 plus log 4 base 60 plus log 5 base 60. And this value will be 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60, log 60 base 60, that is 1. Easy one. All right. 64 we have already done. Now see 65. 65 is very popular JEE mains question. It has been asked almost 3-4 times in JEE mains. Two finite sets have m and n elements. The total number of subsets of the first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set. Now see, if a set is having m number of elements, its total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power m. So what they are saying, number of subsets of the first set 2 raised to the power m minus number of subsets of the second set 2 raised to the power n is equals to 56. Now to solve this equation, just either use check for options or you just use some heat and trial method. It is very much clear that it will be 2 to the power m is 64 and 2 to the power n is 8. You will get the difference. So m is what? 6, n is what? 3. Bombay is the answer. All right. So simple question. Well, question number 66 you can do. Question number 67 is the relation less than. Now see, is any number less than itself? No. So this relation is not reflexive. If A is less than B, is B less than A? Answer is again no. So it is not symmetric. If A is less than B and B is less than C, then certainly A is less than C. Did you get it? A less than B and B less than C, then certainly A is less than C. That means A is related to B and B is related to C. So A is related to C. So this is only transitive. Very simple basic question. Now see question number 16. Again very easy. It is saying log 3 base 10 plus log 4x plus 1 base 10. See, in such questions, this is the only thing that may cause problem to you. And we know how to tackle it. Replace it by log 10 base 10. So, log 3 base 10 plus log 4x plus 1 base 10 is equals to log x plus 1 base 10 plus log 10 base 10. So it will be log of thrice of 4x plus 1 base 10 is log 10 times x plus 1 base 10. Very simple. Just remove log from both sides. You get 12x plus 3 is 10x plus 10. So 2x equals to 7. X came 7 by 2. You got your A answer. Am I correct? Now, this is again simple question. Function f is given by 1 upon under root of x minus mod x. Fx is what? 1 upon under root of x minus mod x. They are asking for the domain of this function. See, whatever there is inside the root, it should be greater than equal to 0. And whatever there is in the denominator, it should not be 0. So how can I find the domain? Simply what? X minus mod x should be greater than 0. Means x should be greater than mod x. Now see, if x is positive, x is always equal to mod x. So x cannot be positive. If x is negative, then mod x is greater than x. Am I correct? If I take simple example, say x is 2. Then do you say 2 is more than mod 2? Is 2 is more than 2? No. So positive number not satisfying. If I take x as minus 2, then minus 2 greater than 2. Is it correct? Again, not correct. So neither any positive nor any negative number is satisfying this function. So that means domain is 5. So there is no x, no value of x in the domain of the function. All right. Now see this another question. Find the domain of this function. What did I just told you? Just tell you ki whatever is there inside the root, it should be more than equal to 0. So log x base 2 should be greater than 0 or equal to 0. So x more than equals to 1. From the first case, we get this result. Second thing, 7x minus x square minus 6, it should also be greater than equal to 0. Means x square minus 7x plus 6 less than equal to 0. So x minus 6 into x minus 1 less than equal to 0. So x lies between 1 to 6. This is the result we are getting from second case. And now what do you want? Intersection of both of them. Intersection. And if I take intersection, you are definitely going to get 1 to 6 inclusive both. Correct? So this is your answer. Fine. Now this question. Number of solutions of the equation. See, yet a simple question. 4 raised to the power x minus. It can be written as 3 raised to the power x upon 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 is 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 3 raised to the power x minus. This is 2 to the power 2x upon 2. So I write it 4 to the power x upon 2. I just manage the question. Now take it to the left side. Take both 4 to the power x to same side. 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x upon 2 is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 into 3 to the power x. Am I correct? Now, it will be 3 by 2 times 4 to the power x is 4 upon root 3 times 3 to the power x. Done. So it is 3 by 2 times. I can write it 2 to the power 2x is 4 upon root 3 times under root 3 to the power 2x. So it is 2 upon root 3 to the power 2x is 8 upon 3 root 3, to which I can write 2 upon root 3 to the power 3. And if I compare, that means 2x equals to 3. So x comes 3 upon 2. So simple question, just management of power. So number of solutions they are asking. There is only one solution, that is x equals to 3 by 2. So 1 is the correct answer. All right. Now, 69 is very much simple. F is a function function of real values of x satisfying fx is x square. Then the expression is, see, this is very simple. If fx is x square, f of x plus 4 is what? X plus 4 whole square minus f of x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole square. Fx is x square. Now you just simplify it, get your answer. I'm not going to do it. Very easy question. Now this one, values of x satisfying. See, the first thing, best thing about these questions, you just check the options, get the answer. But here, since we are learning, so to teach you, I can write it log 3x minus 2 base 2. This log x base 1 by 2 can be written as log 1 by x base 2. Now remove the log. So 3x minus 2 is 1 by x. So it will be 3x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now if you simplify it, it will be 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So 3x plus 1 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So values of x will be minus 1 by 3 and 1. Now see, minus 1 by 3 cannot be the correct answer because of this x has to be positive. 1 is the correct answer. It is satisfying the equation also. Got it? Now, see the 74 question. Find the domain of this function. Whatever is there inside the log, it should be greater than 0. So this is the quantity inside the log. So this log of x plus 2 should be greater than 0. Means x plus 2 should be greater than 1. So x should be greater than minus 1. As simple as that. Very simple, pretty question. 75 we have already done. 76, this function is even function, periodic function, odd function, neither even nor odd function. See, fx is what? Log x plus under root of x square plus 1. If you check for f of minus x, it is log under root of x square plus 1 minus x. Now if I add both of them, so fx plus f of minus x will come 0. And if fx plus f of minus x is 0, that means it is an odd function. Got it? Simple, easy question. Now see, this question is also very favorite in JEE Mains. Log m base 3, 1/3 of that. Thrice of log 9 base n base 3 is 1 plus log 5 base 0.008. All right. See, everything is going on base 3. So it is 1/3 of log m base 3 plus thrice of log n base 3 is equals to. This is 1 plus log 5. This 0.008 is actually upon 1000. So it is 1 upon 125, which I can write 5 to the power minus 3. So it will become 5 to the power minus 3. So the left side is 1 minus 1 by 3. that is 2 by 3. Now, if you multiply this entire equation by 3, I get log m base 3 plus 9 times log n base 3 is equals to 2. Got it? So it will become log m n raised to the power 9 base 3 equals to 2. So m n raised to the power 9 is 3 to the power 2, 9. So the answer will be n raised to the power 9 is 9 upon m. Got it? So n raised to the power 9, this is your correct answer. All right, again, simple question. Now there is a 84 number question. Suppose that the function f from R to R satisfies f of x plus y equals to fx into fy for every xy belongs to R. See, f1 they are giving you 3. Now in this functional equation, if I put x equals to y equals to 1, I get f2 as f of 1 square, that is 3 square. Now if I put x equals to 1, y equals to 2, I get f3 as f of 1 whole cube, that is 3 cube, and so on. So basically this function is fi is 3 raised to the power I. Now your question is sigma I from 1 to n fi, that is sigma I from 1 to n 3 raised to the power I, which is 363. So that will be 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube and so on. 3 to the power n is 363. If I simplify this GP, it will be 3 times 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 363. So 3 to the power n minus 1 will be 2 times 363 upon 2. Sorry, upon 3. So it is 121 into 2, that is 242. So 3 to the power n is 243. So n is 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power n is 3 to the power 5. So your n is going to be 5. Correct? Simple question. Good question. Now see question number 71. Which of the following functions represent the given graph? Modulus? No. Because the graph of modulus function is like this kind. Identity function? Yes, it is an identity function. That is fx equals to x. Constant function? Certainly it is not. Now NA9, NB12 and A intersection B, they are asking. But since we are not aware of an A union B, how can I tell about an A intersection B? So the answer will be cannot be determined. 79 I have done. 80 is easy enough, you can handle it. All these questions are pretty easy, you can do them on your own. Now I'll explain this question. Find the number of positive integral solutions of the inequality. All right, inequality is magnitude of 2x minus 3 plus, since see, it is talking about positive integral solution, means x is already positive. X is positive, so x plus 5 is also positive. So I'll keep it out of the modulus. Less than or equals to magnitude of x minus 8. Now I'll make the cases. If x definitely which is more than 0 is less than 3 by 2. If it is so, this mod will open with a negative sign. This will also open with a negative sign. So it is minus 2x plus 3 plus x plus 5 less than equals to minus x plus 8. So this 2x will cancel this x and this x. So that means 5 and 3, 8 less than or equals to 8. Which is a true statement because 8 is equals to 8. Not less than, but yes, it is equal to 8. So if it is so, that means every x which is lying in 0 to 3 by 2 is a solution. Now, what is integral? X equals to 1. This is your first integral solution. For a safe side, I would still recommend to check it once. If you put x equals to 1, this will be 1. plus 6, 7. If I put x equals to 1, this will be 7. So 7 less than equal to 7, which is a true statement. All right. Now, second case, if x lies more than 3 by 2 equal to and less than 8. Now, first mod will open with positive sign. So 2x minus 3. Second is already x plus 5 less than equal to. This will open with a negative sign. So minus x plus 8. So 4x less than equals to 8 and 3, 11 minus 5, 6. So x is less than or equals to 3 by 2. But my case is x is more than equals to 3 by 2. The only solution we are getting from this region is x equals to 3 by 2. But it is not an integer, so I won't count it. Last case, if x is more than or equals to 8. Every mode will open with a positive sign. So 2x minus 3 plus x plus 5 less than equals to x minus 8. This x cancel. So 2x less than equals to, this will be plus 2, so it will be minus 10. So it is x less than or equals to minus 5, which is not a case because I have already considered x more than 8. So how can x be less than or equal to minus 5? So rejected. So only one integral solution we are getting, that is x equals to 1. Am I correct? Now next. These all are very easy questions and rest I think you can handle. Like this 88 question is very easy. This is log x base 2 plus 1 by 2 times log x base 2 plus 1 by 4 times log x base 2 is 21 by 4. Now take log x base 2 common and simplify, you will get it. Question number 87 kind of we have already covered. Just one thing you should take care. This only x, write it as log 10 to the power x base 10 plus log 1 plus 2 to the power x base 10 is equals to log 5 to the power x base 10 plus log 6 base 10. Now you can handle it. So my opinion about this paper is it is an easy paper from an easy side. If I tell you that while going for this question paper, what you should definitely attempt is, see, question number 63 is very easy. If you miss it, you are missing a lot. Question number 65, again, very easy. You should definitely do this. Question number 66, very easy. You should do it. Question number 67, like a cake, very easy. 68, very easy. All right. Then if with the domain point of view, I should say this is very easy question. Very easy. Very easy. Even this is also a function is a relation. And you know when a function is a relation. And every function is a relation. Function is a kind of relation. So for every condition, it is valid. Very easy. Very easy. 76, very easy. Then 77C. What else do you want in a paper? Easy. 78, easy. 80, easy. 81, very easy. P5 is the power set. Got it? 82, very easy. 83, nothing more simple. This is bit tricky, lengthy also. 85, very easy. 86, highly easy. 88, easy. So there are easy questions always in every paper. The art you have to learn is how to solve them and how to identify them before that they are easy. All right. Wish you all the best for your next exam. That would be all from my side. Thank you so much.